Well, our onions have been growing for 10 weeks, and as you can see, they're really getting some good progress. And if you've seen any of our other onion videos, you'll always remember us what I call ringing in my onions. And all I'd use is an old kitchen knife that Nancy donated, and I bent the top of it 90 degrees, so it's got about 1.5 inch flange on there. See? And I go right up to the onions, and I just ring in around the base of that onion and expose that bulb, get that soil back away from it real good. And that allows that bulb to swell up and get the nice big, hamburger size onions that you're really looking for. And this is an important step in the process, so always ring in your onions when you do that. By his hands we are fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. Amen.
Have a blessed day.